Hey, welcome back. I hope the audio is not too bad because it's a little windy. We had a little storm over the weekend and it's starting to clear up, but we still got a little breeze. But anywho's, if you guys haven't got the hints over the last few videos, because man, this would be definitely easier on the lift. Oh, what's that right there? That is not an illusion. We are stepping up, folks. Check this out. Can you guys see that? Man. Yeah. So shout out to my girlfriend Melissa. She's freaking awesome. Apparently she got tired of watching me roll around on the ground doing the lift kit and the long arms and all that fun stuff. So got on Amazon. Bam, this thing delivered for, I want to say $2,300 ish, something like that. But anywho's, yeah, so today's the first day. We got her up on the rack. Still trying to figure out where to put the pads to get it balanced right. She's a little bit uneven still. I'll show you guys here. Hold on a second. So I don't know, can you guys, here, let's zoom out just a bit. The front end is just a little bit down because of, see the brackets on the back for the long arm right there, and then versus the front right here. I might have to get like a little block of wood, put a little 2x4 in between there to kind of make up the difference. I could lower the back, or yeah, that way it's flat. At any rate, yeah, so whew, man, it's been a bit of a chore. So we got this thing in, what was it, last weekend? Got it all mounted, and then I had to come over to the breaker box, and we popped out over here. We got a compressor that's going to go over this way, so I left the box. Could plug in 220 for there, conduit up and over. That's for future, so if I want to stub out and pull another 110 or something over here. But anyways, we just zinged her around here, up and over, on down. Junction box, so we could do our tie-ins here. We got 4 of the 120 outlets, so we can run grinders, whatever, charge stuff, lights at night. And then we got us another outlet right there, so we could hook up our welder. So we could hook up a welder, the plasma cutter, whatever we want. We run off that 220 circuit right there. I just threw a bag over the top of this because it was raining. I think I'm going to build a little cover for this and help keep this out of the sun so it doesn't crack on me or anything like that. But anyhow, yeah, so I'm going to tinker around with this a little bit more, and I'll probably show you guys a few pictures and see the bottom side of this thing standing up for the first time. So stay tuned. Alright, well, this is what the bottom of it looks like without laying on the ground. There's the skid plates that I put in. I'm gonna redo this one pretty soon, but yeah, so far so good. And it's even, so it's a little breezy today, so it's kind of nice. I can kind of make sure this thing's going to be stable if it's, you know, breezy, which I figured it would be, but always a little cautious the first couple times out. So alright, well, that's it for today. Not really doing anything other than I wanted to get her on the lift and just kind of check some balance points and stuff like that. So anyways, yeah, short and sweet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notification. Get out, get your hands dirty, have some fun, take your neighbor wheeling if you like them, I guess. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Thank you.